Hello traders, Heike Trader here. And in today's video I have an important message for those who are mainly listening to my English YouTube videos. There have been some complaints in recent times, and I completely understand those complaints, that I have been publishing too many German videos on this channel. Okay. There's a specific reason for that. The main reason, of course, is that I have a lot of German followers here on this channel and a lot of German people who are buying my books and my course. I didn't think about this problem when I started my YouTube channel 8 years ago. I just started and made videos. But now it has really become a problem. And there's some confusion because I have people who are following me from the United States, from Australia, Canada and other English-speaking countries. But I also have followers in France, Italy, Germany and also a lot of Asian countries. So in which language do you have to address yourself to those people? It's very difficult. So therefore I decided to split up my YouTube channel into 3. So there will be an English YouTube channel, a German YouTube channel and also a Dutch YouTube channel. Why Dutch? Because Dutch is my native language. I was born in the Flemish part of Belgium. So if you want to find all my English videos, you have to subscribe to the channel Heike Trader International. Here it is. So as you can see, this is the new English channel, which is called Heike Trader International. So when you type in here in this search window, Heike Trader International, then you will find this new English channel. You see, we already load up here about 15 videos. It's just a start, and I hope you will all join me on this new English channel. So on this channel you will find all the English videos I made and I will make in the future. And the same is for the Dutch. There is a specific Dutch channel coming, and here this channel, which is the oldest channel, will be the German channel. I hope you understand this. The confusion in the language was one problem, but there is another issue, and it's also an important issue, and it has to do with the YouTube algorithm. So it's not a good idea to put videos in different languages on one channel. The algorithm doesn't like that because people are clicking away when it's not in their language, which is understandable. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm splitting up the channel into 3, and I hope then that the confusion will stop. Thank you for that. So subscribe to my new English channel, Heike Trader International, and see you back there.